And then we also have the other managed services that we provide. Another area, of course, is application portfolio management. And we've established a relationship with a company out of France called Cast. And this company is incredible. They basically offer, if you think about it, you could call it an MRI machine or you could call it a Google map that allows a client to automate the whole process of documenting their applications and their portfolios, and basically reverse engineering, if you will, from an architectural standpoint, an application that perhaps didn't have any documentation.
Right.
So for a client that is looking to move to the cloud or is looking to rationalize their application portfolio, we have a set of tools either on a portfolio basis or on an application basis that can be offered periodically or annually to help our clients to optimize their application investments. And it automates that whole process.
Yeah.
And again, it's incredible. Maybe you can talk a little bit about what you've observed in terms of the savings in time.
For sure. So, I mean, when it comes to, for example, you said cloud migration,
Yeah.
you know, and moving these apps that are cloud ready over, it takes a lot of time to figure out, you know, how you can break it down into microservices, like how is this app going to move over, and a lot of the time is spent on that upfront work, you know, the documentation and, you know, looking at the architecture of the map, because that's not always readily available.
That's right.
So, you know, by using a tool like Cast that automates that process so quickly, instead of spending months and months, this can be done in a matter of days, depending on, you know, the complexity of the app. But it's unbelievable how much time is saved on something like this. And a lot of the legacy apps don't have any documentation at all.
That's
so
right.
it makes it almost impossible. Maybe the person who maintained it for the last 25 years retired and now there's no one. So, you know, where do you start?
Yeah, 100%, 100%. Yeah, so that's another area where we provide managed services.